Hello and welcome to 5 A's Do It Yourself program. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing us how you can sell a service on Jiji. Jiji is a Nigerian platform, an online marketplace where buyers and sellers meet to sell their products and services. But majority of Nigerians use Jiji just to sell products, and very few are aware that you can also sell your services on Jiji, which is making them lose a lot of opportunities and customers, because there are always people on Gigi who are looking for one service or the other. So without wasting much of our time, let me go straight to the process. So we first have to create an account on Gigi. So we'll be creating an account. Register via Google so that I wouldn't waste much time. I don't know why my network is lagging a bit this morning. We should have gone through. So we have officially signed up for an account on Gigi. So the next step you take after signing up an account is you come straight to sell. If you want to sell either a product or a service, you have to come here. So what are we selling? We're selling a service. So this is where you select what the category of service that you want to sell. What niche are you under? If you are under building, childcare, health and wellness, computer and IT services, a lot of different options. So you can see, you choose the one that is most closer to your niche. So here we are going to take computer and IT services. Choose your location. I'm currently in Abuja, so I'm going to choose Abuja. You upload photos of the services you want to sell. So let's say for the sake of this tutorial, I will be selling a graphic design service. So I already downloaded the picture I want to use. So as a disclaimer, we can add more than one services here and more than one picture. So if you have multiple pictures of your services, you can just click on add and you select more. But for the sake of this tutorial, we'll be using just one picture. So after uploading your picture, you click on next. Now this is where we fill the title. Let me say graphics design, graphic designer. Your company name. If you have a company name, you can input it here. If you don't have, you leave it blank. But let's say AB Tech. That's the company name. So here you input your description. Let's put something simple: designs of kind of logos, flyers, and banners. So the next thing you do is to select your price. You select your price. If you have a fixed price, you can put it here, but if you don't have a fixed price, you click on contact for price. So clicking contact for price here. After that, After clicking your contact for price, this means that whoever wants one of your services here will contact you to know the price. So I think there's a mistake here, so let me edit this files. So if your price is negotiable, had it been we are naming our price here, for instance, let me put 4,000 naira. If you want the price to be negotiable, you click select this, but because we are not inputting our price here, select contact for price. Here you input your phone number. Let me put then you see your name is already here because you signed up using Google. So once all this is done, you come here, you click on standard ad. The reason why we are clicking on standard ad is because this is a free advertisement, you understand? So when you choose standard ad, Gigi will show your ads to their users for free. But when you select stop ad or this boost premium, it literally means that you are going to pay Gigi a certain amount of money, which is this or this, for them to promote your ad. That's, you want an extra promotion. But when you use standard ad, you are not going to receive any extra promotion. It's just going to be there and people can come across it at any time. So once this is done, you select post ad. So confirm and post. So after that, Gigi will ask you to confirm your phone number. They are going to send you an SMS. Let me pause the video while I'm doing this. So I've received the SMS. It's 47156. We verify. So after that, you receive this message which says that Gigi is going to review your services, and once this is done, they will automatically make your ad live. So anyone who is looking for a graphic designer is going to be able to find you and see your services, your location, and if interested, will contact you. So that's how you upload a service on Google. If you want to add more services, you come here. If you are offering more than one services, maybe you want to include an extra services, you repeat the same process all over again. So when you come here, you can see your adverts. Active 0 review. This is the advert that we just made, is under review. So this is where you can see your notification. If someone view your advert or view your phone number, you will be able to see it here. And this is where you will see all messages sent to you by prospective clients. Anyone interested in your ad is going to send you a message. You will see it right here. So that's all for uploading and selling a service on Gigi. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comment section below and I will attend to them as soon as possible. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel to receive more do-it-yourself videos like this, and also share this video. You won't know who might need to see this. So have a great day, guys, and enjoy yourself. Thank you.